To connect Perplexity AI to Canva is fairly simple. You're going to open up Perplexity and then you're going to navigate to Customize. Under Customize, you're going to select the category Connectors. And then from here, you want to go ahead and search through your different connectors until you find Canva. You can always just choose to use the search icon. And then from here, you have two options. Now, depending on what you want to use it for, whether you just want to create, edit, and preview designs through AI chat, or if you want to use it as a business, it's up to you to decide which option you prefer. So you're going to just select this plus icon next to your option, like so. You can see what it's going to ask for. So what access it's going to ask for. You can choose to allow or disallow. And then you're going to just go ahead and select add connector. You do need a subscription though to be able to do this. So go ahead and subscribe to any of these options that you're given, depending on which category that you would like. And once you do that, you should now be able to connect Canva to your Perplexity AI account. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.